but who are we to judge? We've all been there before, right? But this game wasn't on television, so this horror show is courtesy of CSURams.com, Fort Collins, Colorado, for the site of the first ever bad beat. And Stanford Steve, it was you that called me up Sunday morning and said, you have to see this. So here we are. All-timer?
I think so.
Let's show folks what happened. Here we are. First of all, we have to point out that the graphic is wrong. Okay, it's actually 58-13. That's going to make this confusing, but it's 58-13. Savannah State is kicking off up versus the number they're covering. But they're down 45. This is when Jordan Vaden, by the way, what do you think of those Colorado State jerseys?
I don't like them.
Florida A&M feel like they're kind of clean. Anyway, it's a Deshaun Jackson moment. Fellas, why do you drop the ball before you go in the end zone? It makes no sense. It's ruled a touchback, okay? It's ruled a touchback. But the Rams get the ball back, and they're just running out the clock, all right? They're running out the clock. They're up 45. Mike Bobo, all you got to do is take a knee.
Gamblers take no. Mike Bobo does not take knees.
They're showing cutaways. This is the last play of the game. You're getting 51 and a half. For God's sake, tackle him.
Nope.
That's your boy, Izzy Matthews. Izzy Matthews to the house as the clock hits zeros. And the key 51 and a half is the kick. All right, lots of push-ups, couple things. All right, we didn't show the Georgia. I know a lot of Georgia people were saying that was bad. It's not a bad beat because you were going to win the over and you were going to win Georgia, but because of the game they pulled the plug, it wasn't a full 55 minutes in Vegas, you got to push. This is a loss. You said to me, this is as bad as we'll have all year.
I think so.
No, it's the first week. You know.
Did you just watch that?
Oh, so did America.
Oh, that's a tough one to take early. Week one, we could not have been set up better for this part of the show that we plan on doing every Monday. This is going to be tough to beat.
See, you're right, it's horrible, but you and I both know, theoretically.
Who doesn't take a knee there?
Bobo?
Noted.
Again, if you had Savannah State, maybe think about just dialing it back a little bit. Hey, let's do some golf. I'll handle this one. PGA Tour